Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. So I'm going to make a quick snack which I used to make at university. So this is for all you youngsters who want very basic survival food. So it's what I call a spicy egg sandwich. So here are the ingredients. We have some onions, we have some tomatoes finely chopped, we have some spices, we've got salt there, garam masala there, turmeric, haldi, and we've got some chilies, and I'm going to have 2 eggs. Okay, so let's make a start. We need oil for all recipes. The pan is on, so we want 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Okay, so let that warm up. Nice and simple recipe. So what I do is I make it into a sandwich. You can make it into a burger or a tortilla, whatever you like. Okay, so we're going to add the onions. Let those warm brown or soften a little bit. So that's browned nicely. Let's add some tomatoes now. Okay, that's cooked really nicely. Let's cook the spices in now. Okay, the masala is ready now, so we're just going to put the egg in there. Okay, and we're going to let that cook. Okay, we're going to put the other one on the other side. There we go. Okay, so the idea is to try to get it as one big slice, because this is going to go in bread or bun as you wish. Okay, so I'm going to try to turn this over now so that the other side is cooked. Okay, just give that a flip over. There we go. And cook the other side as well. Okay, there it is. Our egg is done. And we're going to turn that into a sandwich. Okay, there we have it, guys. Nice simple egg sandwich. There we have it, viewers. There is my snack. So I do hope you're going to try it as well. Nice simple masala egg sandwich. Okay, so until the next time, thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Tell all your friends about the channel. Look after yourselves, look after others. Until the next time, goodbye. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.